Tracking some sunshine for the rest of this afternoon, but it's going to be a cool day as we only make it up to about 47 this afternoon. Going into this evening, it'll be chilly, but not nearly as cold as what we had this morning with our lows falling down into the upper 30s. We're going to see a low around 38 degrees in Columbia and Jefferson City. We'll be down to about 41 at the Lake of the Ozarks. There's a good chance we'll have a few showers into the overnight hours tomorrow, though, making it up into the upper 50s before another cold front moves in our direction and gives us a chance for some storms by the afternoon. But you wouldn't know it now. We have high pressure in place, keeping things very quiet this afternoon. A nice way to end this work week. But you'll see as we go into the evening, that cloud cover starts to build in from the south. We'll see a chance for a few showers, somewhat scattered and building in towards morning, especially south of I-70. What we're going to be watching tomorrow very closely is the amount of cloud cover. If we can break through some of these clouds and get temperatures to warm up and become a little more unstable, there's a chance we could have a couple strong storms developing towards late afternoon. This is at 4 o'clock. You'll see some of those storms going up at that time across southwest Missouri. That continues to fill in as a line as we go into about 7 or 8 o'clock before it all moves out to the east going into tomorrow night. We do have the threat for severe weather. It's mainly going to be south of I-44 where we see the highest threat. It's a slight risk for those areas. For areas though along and south of I-70, we're in a marginal threat, and I'll be watching for the possibility of some strong winds and potentially an isolated spin-up tornado with the amount of wind shear that we have. It's just all going to depend on how much instability we can get in the afternoon. So overall, our threat is low. It's conditional, but if we do see any strong storms, and not too concerned about hail, it would be wind and the threat of an isolated tornado. The rest of the weekend is going to be much quieter. So as our front moves through on Saturday, we'll be left with temperatures in the upper 50s to around 60 degrees, and we warm up from there. I'm expecting above average temperatures over the next 6 to 10 days, and that means we're going to have quiet conditions and it's going to be warmer for next week. So once we close out the weekend, when we have more sunshine on Monday, we're back into the mid to upper 50s, getting into the 60s again by Wednesday.